How do I start this thing again? Like, especially when other people are here. But it's easy to be like, welcome back to Corbin Does Something. We have special guest Austin here. And we're going to be doing a, is this like Hot Ones? I've never actually watched it.
Kind of. They have 10, and then they just get more increasingly, but
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
a
miniature
poor man's
version. Yeah, because I'm poor. We're going to start by doing one each. We're going to review them on a scale of 1 to 10 Corbins. He hates it. And we're going to do the Nashville Hot, which is the hottest of the milds, according to Buffalo Wild Wings. Original Buffalo, which is the hottest of the hots. And Blazin, which is the hottest of the wild. We're going to review them, and then we're going to see who can survive eating all of these. There's going to be 5 each. Let's begin. So let's start off with the...
Is ranch allowed?
If you want. I would try it without the ranch first.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. So that's the Nashville Hot. So I actually just had KFC of this the other day. Yeah, it wasn't hot. All right, let's give it a go. It's pretty all right. Not a lot of spice.
Got a little bit of a kick, but not bad.
Like in the aftertaste. It's okay.
Yeah, I could hold it. Sorry, is this a kid show?
No. I'm gonna give this a 5. It's perfectly edible. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not too spicy.
Are we rating the spiciness or just taste?
Taste. I mean, you can rate spiciness if you'd like. I was rating flavor.
Flavor, I'll give it a... Actually, I like it. I'll give it a 7.
Okay.
Actually, a 6.9.
So a 7.
6.9.
I'm gonna do, for flavor and for spice, I'm gonna do a 5.
For spice, I'll go 5.
Yeah.
Flavor, I'm going 6.9.
All right, you ready for
What's this?
original Buffalo?
See, that shouldn't be that hot.
But it was on the site showing that it was hotter than the others.
Wow.
If they put it in order. That's not that hot.
No.
Not at all.
Oh,
yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, it kicked in a little bit at the end there. But
Yeah, we got it at the same time. I'm like, yeah, this ain't shit. Oh,
yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Burning.
Actually, I do like the flavor of this better. Yeah, that is really, it's like starting to fester in there with that burn. Slow burn, man.
This might be more of a challenge than we thought. So flavor, I like the other one better.
I actually like this better.
So flavor, I'm gonna give it a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
That's up to 6.9.
I'm gonna give it a. I'm gonna give it a 7 on the spice. It took a minute for it to hit, and then when it did, it was like, whoa.
Yeah, it threw me back a bit.
That was good. I really enjoyed that. All right. Now for the
This kind of looks dangerous.
yeah, the scary one. Oh, all right.
The smell's not making me like cough or like choke up or anything. But a lot of times if I just like open a big thing and start digging in, I'll just like get like.
All right, so let's just
Give
dive
it a
in.
go.
Spice right off the bat
Yeah.
and building. Wow.
Dude, I'm gonna be chugging Pepto-Bismol after this show.
Yeah.
My asshole is not gonna thank me. Ooh, man. This like hurts my tongue.
Oh yeah. Whew. We did not do this right.
Ooh. It's not good.
It's not. It's not at all. I'm putting ranch on it.
Alright.
The ranch made it taste better.
Yeah, the egg.
Are you okay?
No.
Oh, man.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's not even like spicy. It's like pain.
Yeah.
Nick. Hiccups aren't helping. God damn, dude. Mother.
My whole mouth is on fire.
Yeah, my eyes are watering.
Yeah.
I guess flavor, I'm going
Yeah.
2. Because that is not good.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 1.
And then,
There wasn't any
Yeah,
flavor.
going
It was
1.
just eating fire.
yeah, but going 1, you're saying that there's nothing that could do worse.
No, 0 would do that.
All right, I'll go 1, 2 then. Because yeah, it's not good. Spice, I'm gonna go with 9.6.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna go straight 10 with that. That was
God damn, my nose is
blazing
leaking.
hot. There's no reason for those to exist.
Okay, so Blazin is 350 Scoville. 350K Scoville. So I feel like that's like maybe middle for the hot ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think.
So like we would not
So,
survive
yeah,
on
we're
that show.
pussies.
Yeah.
I would survive because I'm not gonna have to be a bitch.
You got 4 more of those. It's okay though.
But now these other ones are gonna seem like. Right?
I know. Like I'm really happy with this Nashville one right now.
You're trying to just outdo me so you leave me with the Blazin? Is that your game plan here?
No. Doing 5 each, man. I'm just getting it ready.
Yeah, I kind of want to change my original score for the Nashville.
It got way better. Or way worse.
No, the spice level. Because why did I give it a 5?
Yeah, I gave it a 5 too, and I'm gonna want to change that to 2.
Like, yeah, now this is nothing.
Yeah.
Really, I think this challenge is just going to come down to who can eat a Blazin.
Yeah, I just had half one.
Oh.
I was open dunking, dunking it. Dunking it in the ranch.
Do you have another Gatorade?
This is I got warm ones.
I can't do warm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the last one I had. I got apple juice.
You have beer?
It's not cold.
Man, why do you keep anything cold?
I got water. I got oat milk.
I don't know.
All right. We got another blazing down. Woo! I kind of want to just
You gotta
eat
keep-
all the blazins that I can, and then smooth myself out with the other ones. Don't fuck up that shirt. Oh my god, I can't even finish it. Oh god, the sentence. I'm on fire. Oh.
Ranch does make it better.
Oh yeah. I got 3 more blazins to get through. All the ones left are yours, man.
How does that make sense?
I got 5 of each. So I ate the Nashville.
This is my second one. You
Yeah.
just ate your second one. So why is there 4 left in there?
There's 3 on my plate. So they gave us an extra one.
Some.
I guess it comes down to who finishes them all.
Oh God.
Oh. Son of a bitch. I'm about to turn on that f***ing hose and just spray down my throat.
So she said.
Oh man, I'm gonna fight through it. I'm gonna do another one.
Oh God.
Oh.
Snorted and everything went down my throat.
Yep, I felt that. Yep.
I already have to.
Oh. All right, 2 more.
This is tough.
Yeah, this is way more of a challenge than I thought it was gonna be.
I'm reviewing goddamn seltzers.
Yeah.
Seltzers.
I'd give anything to be reviewing a seltzer right now.
Yeah, it doesn't sound bad. It's actually like hurting my stomach.
It's not hurting my stomach.
Like I kind of feel the pain in my like chest and stomach.
It's just boiling a hole in you.
Yeah, probably.
You have an ulcer.
It's going straight from my stomach,
If Austin dies
burning
next
straight
week,
through
we know
my
why.
intestines, straight to my.
I will remember you.
I'm gonna need ranch
have any ranch in the house.
Son of a bitch.
That's why I've been conserving it. Oh man. Why did I stab that one? I don't want that one. Alright, I'm going in.
That was a good one.
Do you? I got.
Oh,
We're gonna do this, man. We're gonna make it through. We survived Corona. We survived B-Dub. But we're gonna probably need more water.
yeah, we're definitely gonna need more water.
There, I'm going in. I wonder if I swallow it whole, if it'll fuck me up.
You'll probably get more like stuck in your throat.
That's what she said.
Yeah, that's true.
But go for it. Dude, just breathing hurts. Air passing my tongue does not feel good.
All right.
Dude, I am leaking like a motherfucker right now.
Just gotta lean into it, man.
Yeah, dude, it's kind of hurting my stomach. Going in again.
Share, subscribe, comment, subscribe, share.
Yeah, we should follow this up with the gallon challenge.
I already tried that.
Yeah, I've tried it twice. Whole time puke.
Thanks for that. It made this so much more appetizing.
Yeah. You're welcome.
I don't have much ranch left, but I only got one left, and then I guess we got one that we gotta split. I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna go grab us more water.
I shouldn't have showered before I came over.
No.
I'm sweating. I think it's getting a little bit better though.
Yeah, we're becoming more tolerable of it.
I think the first one was definitely the worst. It's because it was like a shock to your system.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab us some water.
Don't cheat while you're in there.
How would I cheat?
I don't know, drink some ranch or some shit.
That's a good idea. I don't have any ranch. Yeah.
No Pepto.
You want any juice?
Is any of it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take something cold. Ooh, you got the good juices.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't had those in years.
I figured you could use a little hug.
Yeah, quarantine's been lonely.
Oh, oh my god. It hurt just like going inside and having, like I have to have my mouth open to let it air out. But
Yeah, breathing, like putting air on my
Yeah.
tongue does not help.
I kind of just want.
Like this juice kind of just wiped it all away though.
Did it?
Yeah, like I'm fine. This is whatever chemicals they got in here.
Holy shit!
Like I'm.
Oh my god!
It's-
What the hell? What?
What is in here?
Yeah. Like I got a little tinge of the spice, but everything went 1,000 times better. Holy shit!
Yeah,
Now we know how to win on hot ones.
Yeah, these
Bring
are
these.
cheats.
Wow. All right.
Oh, dude, I actually see the pepper flakes
On the
thing.
I was gonna say biscuit.
biscuit.
Oh man, the spice came back a little bit, but this is instant relief. Yeah, I ate all my Blazins.
Hey, this is just pain. It's not good.
Yeah. Don't buy the Blazins.
It's like
They're
damn near not even hot. It's just straight pain.
Oh, dude, excuse me. And now I feel it in my stomach.
Well,
Now it's boiling.
there's just that air bubble
Yeah,
covering it.
that was saving me.
Yeah, no, dude, mine like kind of hurts in my ass. That's gonna be the worst part. Is tomorrow.
Or tonight.
Should I vlog it for you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Send it. Oh,
Just send me a video of you taking a dump, and I'll videotape myself taking a dump, and the screams.
Sweet. What's there? What is that thing? An experimental. Big old dolphin. Push demon.
I I'm getting full though. Like this sucks. And I'm not sure if it's that I'm getting full
Yeah, I
or my
don't think
stomach
I'm-
is like, fuck you.
Yeah, so I think that's what it is.
That juice though, man.
Yeah, it worked better the first time.
But it is pretty instant relief. And they're sugar free, man.
Are you sponsored by these or something?
I wish. I love little hugs, man.
Dude, that's what I'm saying with the... Dude, the amount of snot that's coming out of me is fucking crazy. It's like I just got pepper sprayed.
You know, these aren't as hot, but for some reason, it's like it reactivates.
The other ones.
Yeah.
Like now these are almost just as hot as that. Which makes no fucking sense.
This was a bad idea.
Yeah.
Feeling things in my stomach I've never felt before.
I'm gonna be like terrified to poop. Like these should be Pepto-Bismol. Or just mixing it down with that.
Next time.
There's not gonna be a fucking next time. I'll tell you that.
I never want to eat anything spicy again.
Yeah, man, this isn't getting better.
It's just, it just keeps getting worse.
So, if this is 300K Scoville units, that makes it about 60 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper.
Holy shit.
And,
Is that hot?
I mean,
Obviously. No, 60 times the jalapeno pepper. That's insane. Why do they do things like this? Why did we do this?
dude, because we're going big. We're America.
Where? Ugh,
Wait, do you have a trash can?
right there. That big giant thing.
that makes sense. Dude, the amount of snot, though. That's like one of the worst parts. That's like almost, I've never been pepper sprayed, but I would say eating those are the equivalent of being pepper sprayed.
I've never been pepper sprayed either.
We should do that for the next video.
Pepper spray you? Okay.
Show that we pick which box we want to do. Neither of us know which one's where. One's a taser, one's pepper spray, and then just fuck each other up.
Yeah. How about we just have someone randomly join the video and we do it to them?
Just surprise them.
Yeah. You're like, hey Mike, whoa,
Yeah.
Mike,
Yeah.
Corbin does something. We got Mike here, and he doesn't know what's about to happen.
Corbin does torture. Dude, I'd let you waterboard me for a video. I want to see what that's like.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Will you remember me?
Oh, dude,
I don't think
the
we could
ranch has the.
That's probably what
Yeah.
it is. That's why it keeps reigniting. We made a
Yeah.
hot ranch now. How the fuck did they only give us 2 ranches for 30 wings? And 10 of them are Blazin. Those evil bastards.
I guess we gotta split that Blazin.
I'll eat it. You give me the victory.
Nope.
Then you gotta drink 10 shots. Dude, there would be no way we wouldn't puke.
I would die on shot 2.
Dude, and think about puking right now.
Dude,
Think how gross and fucking
It'd be-
miserable that would be.
it would be, but also it'd be out of my body.
Yeah, it'd save my ass.
Holy shit, dude. This has been an experience.
Yeah, it teaches you about the kind of man you are.
A little bit.
And we're both pussies.
I want to die. I feel very uncomfortable right now.
Well, feel real bloated.
Yeah, I just put that new toilet in. It's in for a world of hurt.
Should we put it in our mouth and me in the middle? Just a big fuck you to a bit more.
My karaoke system's getting delivered.
So we're going straight into karaoke after this? Oh, dude, we should have left that for the delivery guy. That would have been awesome.
I guess that puts us at a draw.
Got any Franks? So take shots of Frank.
Oh.
Fucking juices though. That's fucking wild.
Yeah, so if you're gonna be doing this, little hugs, it's only like $4 for a 20 pack of these.
Dude.
Yeah, but it's a beautiful day, and I think that's where we're at.
Yeah, dude, I almost
And
wore a
I'm
jacket.
okay with it. All right, I think we can wrap it here because we're both gonna die and go cry.
On the toilet.
Yeah. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, leave a comment below. If you want to see us cry, leave a comment
You want
about
an
that.
aftermath video.
Yeah. If you request it, I'll present it. This is really hard to say. This is the worst experience of my life.
That's what she said.
Like, that's an exaggeration, but it's pretty bad.
That
All
was
right.
the hottest thing I've eaten.
I think so too. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, and I've had some like authentic, like Bangladesh meals and Argentina, like some, pretty amazing
Yeah, but
cooking where they're.
But their
super
goal is
spiced.
not to kill you.
Yeah,
Like they
All
just
right,
like
well,
the
you-
shit like that.
they might want to kill me.
Yeah.
So again, do all the things that you need to do. I'm gonna rinse my mouth out and buy some little hugs. They're not sponsored, but they're amazing. All right, take care. You like me yet?